Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're fixing our yard. Yep, we're fixing our yard.
Well, our front yard.
Our front yard, or our backyard.
No.
There's like a big change in elevation all around here. So we ordered tons of dirt, and we have to put it in the wheelbarrow, and we have to fill it in. A lot of dirt. So.
We're fine with being in the video.
Okay, we will. But let's just do a couple. Guys, I know what you're thinking. I'm wearing short sleeves, but it's not even a dress outside. But that's fine. Short pants, shorts. Alright, back to the time lapse. If you guys thought the video is over, you are mistaken. The video is not over. We're doing a day in the life. Even though the title said it's just dirt. We're doing a day in the life. Well, sort of. Some cool stuff. Speaking of cool stuff, you see this bike right here?
It's mine now!
It's Sophie's now. And that means I got a new bike. Let's see it. So I think you guys got the idea. It's a cool bike. Well, sort of. I like it. It's bigger than my last one, which is what we needed. And it kind of looks cool in my mind. And it's sturdy. It's got the same amount of gears. And it's got thin wheels, which you guys probably saw. But, oh wait, one more thing that's really cool. It has a water bottle stand, which you guys may or may not have seen. Which will be really helpful for when we go on bike rides around the block, which we might do. I might film that later today too. So stay tuned. But for now, I'm gonna stop filming. I just wanted to show you my bike. And Sophie's gonna get used to my old bike. So I'll catch you guys later with whatever we do later. Guys, it's been about 24 hours since the last clip. And this turned from a 1-day video to a 2-day video. But now we're gonna do some bee stuff, which I think you guys might enjoy. So let's get geared up and ready to go. Well, sort of. Just the hat, and I look really silly.
All right, so this is the gonna be the honey super,
Super honey.
and you can tell there's nothing there yet because I just put it on.
So there's probably not gonna be much
a couple
in here.
days ago, but the bees are actually up in here. That's a good sign that the bees are kind of up in here. All right, so I'm gonna just remove this for a second.
That's a lot of bees right there.
Everything's smoking. I'm going really slow because you can't tell, but I burnt my fingers really bad. So not too close though, because if they come up, oh, my phone. Okay, so what do we got here? That's kind of not a whole lot. Back up a bit. You got one buzzing. step away. That's okay. They'll home in on me.
Because you're the one that's taking apart.
Yeah. So it's
Another sign.
you know what we're looking for?
Honey?
Nope.
Eggs.
Eggs, brood, and the queen. But if we find eggs, what does that mean?
That means she's still there.
All right. Oh, and there's the queen. See her?
Yep. Right there, that big one.
Yeah. So, may even watch her lay an egg. Now she's like really open.
Well, guys, you officially saw a bee queen. If you haven't.
Oh.
That did it.
Okay, we're gonna put them back. We had a little slip.
Just a little bit.
And we don't want to make her mad.
Can she actually sting?
Nope. We don't want her flying away, falling out. So we found the queen, so that's good. Now she's still there. See some brood larvae.
And now we know there will be brood.
All right, so then we got brood. And brood. So there's some brood.
Yeah, that's all the capped stuff. Like
Yeah.
right there.
Is there any white larvae in there? No, there's honey in there though. Let's see, is there?
Is brood heavy?
Oh, there's kind of one hatching. A couple hatching here.
There?
Right there. There's some larvae. They're really in there.
There's like
There.
the sun.
There's one hatching right there, maybe. It's chewing its way out. Yeah.
That's cool. Kind of. But it's too shadowy. You can't really see inside the cells.
We're gonna put this back in very carefully. Working with gloves. This one's really light.
Oh boy. Doesn't look like it's fully done.
Yep, they're still building this one out.
Is
But
there
again, there's a lot of brood in there. Oh, there's a queen cell.
a queen cell? Is that good or bad? Are they trying to split off? Is there too many?
Well, it all depends. It's probably just a practice one.
Just in case the queen does die.
Wow. They have lots of room, so they shouldn't be getting ready to swarm.
Yeah, we just added another layer last
Yeah.
time, right?
There's pollen in this one.
Oh! Or is that like the best?
There's honey and pollen, so you probably can't see it that well, but yeah.
Why is it so yellow? Is that because it's you put
Here?
it in there? Yeah.
That's a foundation frame. So here's pollen. In there, the orange stuff, that's all probably dandelion pollen.
Right there is pollen.
And in between the glistening stuff is honey. Not ready honey, but it's honey.
Can't even process.
Yeah. So this whiter wax here is new. Anything that looks really yellow and white is new. So, all right, back
That's
up a
cool.
bit. It's a frame that they've been working on forever, and they just aren't really getting anywhere at all, as you'll notice here. Oh, but they are getting there.
It's so tiny.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
okay.
no,
Oh,
maybe.
so that's good. That's called festooning, where they're all clumped together like that. You see, not on the wax, but right where it's just bees. You see that? That means they're gonna start building that out.
That's cool.
So that's a good sign, yep.
Good sign for a new
And they hang from each other, and that's how they make a straight comb. It's kind of like they make their own plumb line. If you don't know what a plumb line is, Google it. There's capped honey in here a little bit.
It's not fully built out.
No, that's a
I smell honey. And pollen.
all right. We're gonna go to the last frame.
Are we going to the bottom box?
Oh, you want to? Lots of honey in this one,
Ooh,
I think. Yeah, you can see all that glistening stuff is honey.
ooh.
I hold it upside down.
Not capped.
Yeah, if I actually hold the frame upside down, it falls out.
It's not capped, so that means it's not exactly ready, right?
Okay, it's not ripe yet. Alright, so now we gotta.
And we aren't harvesting this yet.
No, we don't harvest this honey usually.
We have to make more boxes or put more boxes on
Yeah,
top.
that's
and
what
then-
that other box will be for.
That box is for honey. For us. Finally.
I hope. Come on.
You know. Don't roll any bees.
Well, now I'm gonna squish them if I'm not careful.
Girls, honey, girls. Guys.
Yeah, I think I just heard one go squishy.
No! We squished the bee.
I think I did.
Said not really. And he's doing this so we can put back this frame that we took out. Wasn't the clean on that frame?
On this one, yeah. That's why I'm trying to be really careful because I don't know where she is right now.
Can't see
And
very
I
well.
definitely don't want to squish my queen.
That was the very
Alright.
bad.
Now we can put this guy back in. If we got to the bottom box, we might see a bee doing the waggle dance.
The waggle. Because the bottom box is where they come in.
And then they tell everybody else where the honey and the,
Where we're supposed to go.
no, where it is, where the honey and the pollen is.
Well, guys, we're done with bees. And we did some stuff with the dirt. And I showed you my new bike. And it was over 2 days, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm trying to think of a title. You guys, of course, already know the title because you clicked on this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want more bee videos. I really hope you enjoyed this because, yeah. But we'll see you in another video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like always. And we'll see you in another video. Bye.